And I've got my Canon mirrorless camera here. I'm going to turn on my lovely ring light. And then on the touchscreen of my Chromebook, I'm going to hit take photo. And then, there it is. Took my photo. And we'll try that again. And there's my photo. I can hit print photo and print out that photo as well. And that's how my mirrorless Canon with my Chromebook, that is how this tutorial works. In this video, I'll show you how to create your own custom photo booth with OpenClaw on a Chromebook. In a previous video, I installed OpenClaw, previously known as Clawbot, on this Chromebook. If you missed that video, I will provide a link in the description because we're going to pick up right where we left off, and I'm going to assume you already have OpenClaw installed. I'm adding my Canon EOS mirrorless digital camera plugged in via USB-C cable. Now, disclaimer, I am not claiming to be a cybersecurity expert, and I'm not claiming my method is 100% secure. There are always risks when using OpenClaw. Hi, my name is Caroline, and I make Raspberry Pi tutorials, tech, and travel videos. I also have a bachelor's and master's degrees in electrical engineering, and I'm also author of A Woman's Guide to Winning in Tech. Check it out. And here is my Canon mirrorless camera. It is powered by an AC adapter, so it doesn't run out of power while I'm running a photo booth. There is a USB-C port on the side of this camera that plugs in right here, and then the other end, of course, is plugged into my Chromebook. Now, not all USB-C cables are created equally, so you might need to do some trial and error before you get to that good data USB-C cable. Optionally, I can print out the photos from my photo booth with this Canon SELPHY printer. We're on my Chromebook. This is a refurbished Chromebook with a touchscreen. I purchased this for about $67 online. I will link to it. And we're going to be checking our usage on our codecs. And we've already installed OpenClaw. If you missed that video, I will link to it below. To start OpenClaw again, I'm sure there are better ways of doing this. I'm just going to go to my terminal, and I'm going to hit Penguin here, and it's going to start up my terminal. So I want to do OpenClaw TUI. And let's see if I can open OpenClaw TUI from here, and we can start chatting with OpenClaw. TUI came right up. Excellent. We can go into just regular ChatGPT and just start chatting. This is a free account. And say, help me write a prompt for OpenClaw to make a photo booth on my Chromebook using a Canon R50 mirrorless camera. Show the last 5 photos and have an option to print on Canon SELPHY CP1300, which I have right here. And let's see if it'll create a great prompt for us for OpenClaw, because I am trying to minimize the number of calls I make to OpenClaw because that's limited. I'm going to copy this, and then I'm going to take it over to my terminal, and I've got OpenClaw working, and I'm going to hit paste. Oh gosh, it's going to paste everything on here, and I'm going to hit enter, and we're just going to let it run here, and I want it to do all the work for me, put the files on my Chromebook, and get this running without me following a bunch of instructions. Let's see if it can do that. I think it's about less than 3 minutes later. It has added all my files, and then it built it in about, 2 to 3 minutes. I created a complete photo booth app in your workspace with Node Express touchscreen UI. Here's what's implemented, and it's committed to my workspace. And the first instruction is to change directories into the photo booth directory that it created. Excellent. Next, let's do an npm install. Now let's set the path for our printer, P1300. Let's see if I can do an npm start. See if that works. Now let's head over to our local website. Let's see if it takes a photo. Okay, I think it took a photo. I can't see it right this second. It saved the photo, okay. I can't see it. Okay, it seems like it's randomly taking photos now. Back to OpenClaw. I'm going to tell OpenClaw that my camera is randomly taking photos and that I want to change the preview size to 600 by 400 to match my printer. And while we're at it, let's look for that picture it supposedly just took. It is running now. Let's see what it comes back with. And it has fixed the files and it wants me to restart the app. I have it pretty much working now. I've taken a few photos of myself. It seems like it needs a little bit of time between each photo. The best setting to get this to work was Aperture priority and not autofocus, and definitely not video. And here is a little demo of our photo booth. And I've got my cat. She's ready to go for the photo booth here. I'm going to hit take photo and we're going to smile. And there it is. There is my photo with my cat. Take photo. Ready, cat, smile. Okay, perfect. Yes. And there is a demo of my photo booth. You can also print a photo. You just hit print photo and it sends it right to the Canon SELPHY printer. And that's a photo booth on Chromebook created with the help of OpenClaw. Now, if you don't have a Chromebook, don't worry. I already did this project on my Raspberry Pi 5. And if you missed that video, I will link to it below. My name is Caroline and I make Raspberry Pi tutorials, tech and travel videos. Please like and subscribe so you don't miss the next video. Thanks so much for watching and I'll see you in the next one. Bye now.